see. All right. Ooh, that light is a little scary there. Let's see. All right. Hey, guys. It is Renee Fouché, and I'm here in one of my very favorite places, and I don't think you can see me because the light is crazy in here. But this holiday season, I have partnered with Productions Plus, Williams-Sonoma, and Phillips, and we are working on helping folks make their holiday cooking. Oh, they want me to tag Courtney. They heard me talk about cooking and they want me to tag her. Anyway, we're making holiday cooking easier with Williams-Sonoma this holiday season. And so we are here in their test kitchen trying out the Phillips Smokeless Grill. So here we are with the Phillips Indoor Smokeless Grill, and I am doing some grilled vegetables today. Here we are. We have zucchini, carrots, sweet potato, red onions, and we're using the indoor smokeless grill. I know some of you guys are getting cold right now, but right now you can come into Williams-Sonoma and get this lovely smokeless grill and be able to grill your vegetables no matter what the weather is outside. It's using infrared cooking. There is no smoke, and these vegetables look kind of exciting. Not to mention, Williams-Sonoma is an awesome place to get all of your holiday cooking tools. It makes everything so very easy. All of their tools make everything so easy. Take a look at these vegetables. Their knives, all their little, I used a peeler today. It's the best peeler I've ever used in my whole entire life, guys. It's amazing. So here we go. For these vegetables, I used fresh rosemary and garlic. I made the marinade with balsamic vinegar. We're using Williams-Sonoma balsamic vinegar, olive oil, a little salt and pepper. And they were marinating and getting lovely in this little bag right here. And you see the indoor smokeless grill, able to get you your grill marks. I got no smoke going on in this kitchen. If you visit Williams-Sonoma today, you can come and try out my new recipe here. These lovely grilled vegetables. It really smells delicious. Nice little infused water there. But yeah, we got some zucchini, some carrots, some grilled onions. If you guys, anyone utilized the lovely smokeless grill, if you're interested in more information, stop by Williams-Sonoma or go to phillips.com. A little bit later on, I'll also be sharing a link where you can access some of my secret recipes like this one and some cool discounts on some more Phillips products. Thanks for watching, guys.